Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, August 5th. So Monday, what are we going to do on Monday where we're gapping down 1 billion points overnight? Well, first let's look at news. We've got final services PMI at 9:45. At 10 o'clock, we have ISM services PMI. 2 o'clock, we have the loan officer survey. It's a yellow item, so it's not really important. And of course, later after the market closes, the FOMC member daily speaks. So nothing really of interest today besides the 10 o'clock ISM services, which is a red item. So be aware of that is going on today. What's going on with the charts? Woo, look at this massive gap down. We are gapping below the 200-day moving average. By most definitions, below the 200-day moving average is bear territory. And obviously downtrend territory as well. Look at Friday's volume. Big volume on a really ugly day. That's very concerning because that's confirming that the price action is truly what the market believes in because there's volume behind it. So a couple of bad things going on here. This does not surprise me. I've been expecting this for quite some time. I do think it's going to continue to go lower. Remember, earnings is the underlying driver of all markets, okay? So if there's no earnings to support the stock prices, eventually prices will go back down to where earnings will support that particular price. Also, the AI, I think, is sort of stumbling here a bit, which reminds me of the dot-com situation in the 2000s. 99, 2000 is very similar. That being said, where could we go? We're probably going to retest that low right there, which was the April 19th low at 50-30-ish. 50-30-ish is certainly on the radar. If we bounce, where we're going to go, probably back to that spot right there, which is 52.63. Those are sort of my bigger picture things. Looking at the inventory. Inventory on Friday, we had down price action, up inventory. Notice that the day before we had up inventory and down price action again. This is buy the dip folks. The buy the dip folks are going to get burned in epic proportions at some point very soon. And when they bail out, which maybe today is maybe that panic sell that is coming in here. Because this is pretty ugly. Look at that, negative 42,000 and the market hasn't even opened yet. So that's screaming panic right there. So maybe we will get a big whoosh today, and that will be the bottom for at least in the intermediate term. We'll have to wait and see. What's going on overnight action? So obviously overnight action, the high was 53.45, and we are at 50. That's 100, almost 200 points. 345 to 51.53. So that's 193 points. 190 points. That's crazy. Volatility is nuts. So where's support? Holy crap. Well, let's see. 5107, 5091, and 5040. I mean, it's just really ugly on the top side. Resistance. Definitely some resistance around 5200. Also 5177. If we could break 5200, 5220. I mean, this thing could rally all the way back. It's certainly plausible, but definitely would be some resistance up here in this 52.72 area. But buddy, this looks ugly. Stock Trader's Almanac for Monday. To get my book out here, is 52.4. 52.4 from the Stock Trader's Almanac. So a slight positive bias for today historically. That's all I've got for you. Remember to trade what you see and not what you think. Always keep your stops nice and tight. It's going to be crazy today. Have a great day. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.